Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and it's another day in the life of a Filipino mechanic here in Vancouver, Canada. So it's cold Sunday morning, and we got this 1996 Toyota Camry, and we are going to replace the rear brake drum show in the hardware for this car. So the owner just wanna replace it because he owned this car for a long time, and he haven't replaced the rear brake for this car. So that's our parts. Drum show in the hardware is baked in Arnclay in Rebestos. There you go. So by the way guys, I received a couple of messages on my messenger. I'm not from Edmonton or Calgary. I'm from Vancouver, because one of our customer booked for an appointment like last Friday, and when he asked my address, and he realized I'm from Vancouver, and he lived in I think Calgary. So that's almost like 8-10 hours away from my place. So again, I'm from Vancouver, and also I'm gonna post my location in my business number on the beginning of the video, so everybody knows where where is my location. Yeah, and also guys, yes, I'm some of my customers messaging me if I issuing a receipt. Yeah, I'm issuing a receipt. I had actually a business permit. My business name and Asian Mobile Service, Asian Mobile Services, Auto Services. Yeah, and I'm allowed to do car repairs around BC. So I pay my tax every year. So it's a business, guys. It's not DIY, because some of my my customer and also some of my viewers are saying it's just a DIY. No, it's not a DIY. I am a certified mechanic, a licensed mechanic, so it's all legal. Yeah, I'm not but anyway, if you want to if you want me to issue a new receipt, there's no problem with it. It's just that, remember, we had this provincial tax and federal tax on top of my labor in parts. So yeah, if you want my services, just message me on my Facebook or Messenger, or text me. I prefer text rather than call, because sometimes there's a couple of people reaching me out, and if you talk to me the following day I forgot, but if you text me, I can always go back to your messages. Okay, so much for that. Let's just begin doing this car. And also I just want to also answer those questions of our viewers and customers that asking me why I'm doing it here in my garage, my service, most of the time. Actually, I do a lot of mobile services, just that I don't have the time to film it, because I had this estimated hours to do it. But if I do it in my garage, I have all the time that I need. So if, as you can see, most of my videos are made or filmed here in my garage. And also, again, my business is a mobile. It's an Asian mobile mechanic auto services. It's on my truck, so I can do around BC. It doesn't matter, beside the road, in your garage, in my garage, it's still it's still considered mobile. So yeah, so I hope I answer all your question, why I'm doing this, why I'm doing that. Okay. But anyway, thank you for your your questions, because you are interested on my videos and also on my services. So thank you so much. Alright, let's begin. So I'm using 21mm socket. Let's remove. Oh shoot! Wow! Look at that. It's really old. Whew. Let me just clean that up. Clean it. Whew. Again, I'm using non-chlorinated brake cleaner, so it's not bad on this rubber. You know, some viewer are questioning me what kind of brake cleaner I'm using. So again, it's non-chlorinated, and it says here it's not danger for rubber. Where was that? Doesn't make the rubber swell. Okay. Alright. First thing first, we need to remove this, you know, spring. So I'm using this to just put it here so it won't gonna move all the way there. And then I'm using this cutter. Just do like that. This is the hardest part, but after you remove this, it will go. There you go. As you can see, over here. Let me just, there you go. Spring. Look at the spring. Let me zoom it. There's the spring. It's off. Now we can remove. No, I'm not gonna remove that. Next one is this. Just go like that. Then go over here. Then twist it. Oh, you know what? Like this. There you go. One more time. Go over here and twist this. There you go. So use this, push it, and then your hand just twist the one over here. This one, then twist this like that. This one still looks, no, it's already rusted. We're gonna change this one. Next one is over here, same thing. This one, push, and then at the back twist it. Sometimes it's rusted, so just twist it like that. Yeah, you can move it. Okay, go. All right. Okay. There you go. So this one is like this. Okay. Let's remove this. It should be like so this way. So I just remove. How do I get that now? So this one came from here. It should be like this. That. Right? here and then clean it again. Get a brush. Alright, clean as much as you can. Alright guys, so let's swap. So this is the old one, and let's swap the new one. So this is the new one. This is Ray Vestus. Alright. So I think this is over here. Let's compare it. Yep, that's the right one. And this one should be, yep, this is the right one. So we're just gonna remove this, a couple of this, and put it on here. So usually there's a small pin or C clamp in here. It's easy to remove. There you go. Very small one. So it came from in here, and then at the back I think there is a spring. Let me over here, this one. Okay, let's remove all this with that. Oh, that should be like that. And this will, oh, there's another C-clip in here. So let's remove that C-clip. I'm not gonna show it to you anymore, because sometimes these are stubborn. But whatever your procedure of how to do it, then just do it. Anyway, what I did is I just cut it. Anyway, I had my hardware, so it doesn't matter if I ruin it. So move that, place it on the new one, and then get a new C-clip. That's our new C-clip from our hardware. Like that, and then just I usually use my cutter to pinch it. Like that. Again, it's up to you. What's your preference? What tools you are going to use? But I love using my cutter. There you go. Or it doesn't work, then you can always use also your pliers. There you go. I hope you could see it. Oh, okay. Doesn't need to be like touching each other, as long as it won't come off. Maybe just a little more. Okay, use your pliers. There you go. Perfect.